Next is question number 2.46. Here it says nitrogen laser produces a radiation at a wavelength of 337.1 nanometer. If the number of photons emitted is 5.6 into 10 to the power 24, calculate the power of this laser. Very simple question. So first let's write down what is asked in what is given in the question and what is asked. So here what's given to us is that it is producing a radiation of a wavelength this much. So here lambda value is 337.1 nanometer. And if the number of photons emitted is 5.6 10 to the power 24, number of photons meaning n value is 5.6 into 10 to the power 24. Calculate the power of this laser. So now when they are asking us to calculate power basically is a form of energy, right? So power can also be written as energy. So this is exactly what we have to find out. So now we need to bring an equation that has the relation between energy and wavelength. Simple equation we know, E is equal to nHc by lambda. Simple energy formula. Now in this, lambda is in terms of nanometer, but c here, which is velocity of light, will be in terms of meter per second, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. H value is Planck's constant, so 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So now since C is in meters, wavelength should also be in meters. So here you should know this relation where 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So here this is equal to 337.1 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. We have all our values that you need for this particular equation. Let's substitute the values. N is here 5.6 into 10 to the power 24 into H value is this Planck's constant 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second into C is velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by wavelength value is 337.1 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. We have all the values. We will cancel out the common units here. So we're only left with the joule because we have energy parameter. Now 5.6 into 6.626 into 3 divided by 337.1. The value is going to be 0.33021 into 10 to the power 24 minus 34 plus 8. When this minus 9 goes up, it will become plus 9. So when we simplify the entire power, this will be 10 to the power 7 joule. When we shift the decimal to the right, we are trying to reduce the power here. So this is 3.3021 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This is going to be the answer for the question. So it's basically a very simple one. Wherever power is asked, since power is a form of energy, you can consider this as energy itself and you can calculate.